He's always late, you know.
To be frank, I really don't like the lad.
Oh, I quite agree. He's much too green. His inexperience could be fatal to such and such films.
What say you to ousting the lad?
Cecilia, you read my mind. Shoot down any ideas he has, and then we're gonna fire him.
Hey guys.
Oh.
My car broke down. Had to walk all the way from Memphis. Yeah. Thinking of a movie with a superhero in it.
A superhero film?
Yeah.
That's your great idea.
What the people need. A superhero movie. There's so much crap going around in this world. They need a movie about hope and inspiration.
That's a terrible idea.
The worst I've ever heard of.
And I.
It'll never sell.
Never.
It is utterly unrealistic.
Utterly.
You've wasted 5 minutes of my life.
And mine.
After all, time is money.
But
We're gonna have to let you go.
That means you're fired.
sometime in life, a man must wear stretchy pants. It is for fun. Whoa! Tell us what you do!
Oh my gosh!
What you folks need is a hero, and I happen to be a hero.
You're really tall.
See you!